Swadeshi to self-dependence, the path to Viksit. Once upon a time, Swadeshi was a soul of India's freedom. Today, the same spirit is the heartbeat of India's progress. From Swadeshi to Atmanirbhar Bharat, our journey is not just about making products, it's about making a proud, powerful, and self reliant nation. Swadeshi means faith in our own hands, trust in our own abilities, and pride in our own creations. Every Indian who builds, creates, and innovates is writing the story of Viksit Bharat. Steps to strengthen and develop Atmanirbhar Bharat. To make India truly self reliant, we must strengthen local industries and support Made in India initiatives, empower youth and women through skill development and entrepreneurship, embrace innovation, research, and technology to compete globally, build sustainable and green industries for a cleaner tomorrow, create world class infrastructure that powers every Indian dream. Steps to promote and recognize India globally. To make India's self reliance shine on the world stage, we must transform Made in India into a global mark of excellence. Export our ideas, technology, and culture with pride. Encourage digital innovation and global partnerships. Show the world that India doesn't just produce, India leads with creativity, courage, and compassion. When every citizen stands for Swadeshi, when every youth believes in self reliance, and when every heart beats for progress, India will rise as the world's shining example of strength, unity, and development. This is our time, our mission, our sankalp to build a nation that stands tall, independent, united, and unstoppable. Together we will transform इंडिया इंटू अ विकसित भारत. स्वदेशी से आत्मनिर्भर तक भारत बनेगा विकसित. स्वदेशी से समृद्धि, आत्मनिर्भर भारत की सिद्धि. लोकल से ग्लोबल तक, ये है विकसित भारत का संकल्प.